Okay guys, so everyone knows the last guest thing. But yeah, I discovered a horrible game of the last guest. This is supposed to be the last guest. And I picked up some bacon hard drink, and I glitched through walls. Oh yes, it worked that time. That wasn't supposed to work. Oh look, it's Creation. He has joined the game for some reason. This is the worst game ever. This is supposed to be the last get. It has no arms, no heads. This town is destroyed. When you spawn, you're on top of free Roblox people. And you can pick up these bacon-haired drinks and be like wee! And you can also glitch through walls with these weird things. Let's glitch through a wall. Oh, jeez, now I'm inside a refrigerator. Now I'm inside a refrigerator. Wait, that wasn't a refrigerator. That was a cupboard, I think. Well, whatever. Hey, Creation. Why does this game exist?
I don't know about it.
Does this look anything like The Last Guest? Have you even watched The Last Guest?
No.
I hate you. I'm just kidding. You should. You should do a little reaction video. Without a face. Where are you?
Well, I left to go redeem this code.
Oh! I wonder what you get. I'm just picking up more bacon head drinks. Mine. I don't want this thing. Stop! There's a tank flying in the air.
Yeah, I was in it and then I left it.
No, I said help. There's a flying tank that I'm going to. Oh my gosh, someone's dead. Cool, it's a dead zombie. That never happened in The Last Guest. Dead zombies with fire on them. Well, here's a bacon hair. Here's a guest. That never looked like that. The guest never looked like that. Okay, there's a million last guests. It's not Guest World. Oh look, there's a dead person I can talk to. Wonder why we can talk to. It's Oblivious HD, except he doesn't have a head. He doesn't have any arms. The only part is his torso. Wait. Hi, how can I help? Can I ask about your videos? What would you like to know? What the heck just flung me? Okay. Hi, how can I help? Can I ask about your videos? How long does it take to make a video? Usually over 25 hours. Jeez, that's a lot, actually. I'm pretty sure that's a true statement, though.
No, it takes you 5 minutes.
Have you seen Oblivious HD's channel?
Yes.
Wait, can I ask about videos? What would you like to know? How often do you upload? Usually 1 video per week. That is not true. I'm pretty sure it's like usually 1 video per month.
Good.
Hi, how can I help? Can I ask about your videos again? What do you use to make your videos? I use Fraps to record and Sony Vegas Pro 13 to edit. I didn't want your editor. I just wanted. Okay, I'm taking Fraps for my animation. Hi, how can I help? Hey, I was trying to ask you questions.
Wait, I have one question. How do I do a code? The promo codes? I forgot.
You search up www.roblox/toys. And you do redeem. Can I ask some question about your fan group? Hi, how do I get ranked up? Just be an active, loyal member, post on the group wall regularly, and participate in events. This video has just been me asking Oblivious HD questions. How can I take a part in Red Invasion? Look out the group. Shout out saying when the next invasion. Wow, I'm never doing that again. And I'm not reading. It's gonna keep reading because I think it's more to find out how do I become a moderator? I want to see Send an application by Roblox message. You'll never accept my friend request, you stupid idiot. I leave. I don't even know Oblivious HD's username unless it's Oblivious HD. Can I ask you a random question? Sure, what is it? You like cheeseburgers? Yeah, I love them. Okay, I'm gonna keep asking those questions. That seems funny. Can I ask a random question? What? Are you sporty? I do a lot of athletics and cross country. Yep. Love it. You need the E. Wait, there has to be something I can actually ask. Can I ask you a random question? Sure, what is it? Can I have some Roblox, please? No. Please? No. Please? No. Pretty, please? No. Come on, please? No. Please? No. Please? Goodbye. Friggin' idiot. Ugh. Can I ask you a random question? Sure, what is it? Are you a twin? Yeah, I'm an identical twin in real life. You don't even know what I look like, Oblivious HD. No one does besides Creation and Blue Domino and my friends at school. Basically, this is the worst game ever. Don't ask me how I got here. I was just searching up the last guest and this is what I find. Me actually being able to fly for once. Wait, what are these people saying? Don't be scared. Guess we were keeping you. Oh, it's Bacon Harris. Well, let me go this way. We. Let me go this way. We. Let me go this way. We. Ow. Da-da. I got an idea. Dun 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 dun. How? Does a fire actually kill you? See, this is what I was talking about. Nub, help, please. Ah! Does the fire actually kill you? This is what I need to know. Fire doesn't kill me for me here. Wait, can we drive this tank? Let me know. So I'll leave the link to this game down in the description in case you wanna. I want a lot of people to go play this game, and I want you guys to go ask the creator over here. What's his name? What's his name? It's either this one or this one. I don't know. That's all I have for this one. So, on to the next game. Now to just copy the link for the description. Control CCC or right click copy. How does this have anything to do with the last guest? Let's see. Historic. You're ugly. Please tell me I'm not wearing what I'm wearing. Nope. I'm not wearing that. I'll take the free guns though. Give me those guns right now. Wait, we can actually be people. I want to see this game. But I want those free guns. You know, whatever. Jeez, you guys are crazy. Stop it. Like, they're actually moving. I just noticed that. Is this gonna kill me? Ow. Go crawl back into the hole. X. You're saying no. Go back to your dumb home. Go crawl back to your hole. Bang! You're dumb. Yeah, it's because you put me in a hole for 5 years. Go crawl back into your hole. Too bad. Okay, then I shoot you with this gun. Isn't there something else we can say? Goodbye! I'll actually do it. Dead swap member. Ugh. What happened to you? Because I don't care. Slender. Really? He should be anywhere. Save yourself. No, I can't leave you. You'll have a son. Just run. Don't waste time. Wait, no. He's probably gonna say something. I'm gonna try to... Okay, so it's basically the same thing. I wanna go back here. So we can actually be one of these. I'll be you. Not even morphing. Oh wait, now I'm morphing. What the... This wasn't a more. Oh, it's kind of working, I guess. This did nothing. Oh, there we go. Now all you see is my blue hair. I wonder. Did these lasers kill... Oh. Girls? If it's girls, then I'll need to wear something very girly if it's girls. This. To work. Work. It didn't. I hate life. Oh, now I'm wearing everything. What's to work now? Wait. Morph. Wait, what am I morphing into? What did I hit for morphs? Let's... Okay, I think... Okay, now I have to wear something girly that isn't this. What shall I? This. Oh, wait. Oh, nothing happened. Oh, someone... This is not the last guest. Actually, morphing into it. This sucks. This sucks. Hey, Newlier, do you have Roblox? Okay. I'm not here for this guy, but he's actually pretty cool. Because he's not answering me. That's why he gets a follow. What does this button do? And AK. None of these work. Ah! So ugly. I'm not wearing this anymore. He just looks at me like, what? He's probably wondering what I actually look like. Oh, and then he leaves the game! I told you it sucked. What does this do anyway? What? No. I will now hug you. Yes, hugs. Okay, now I'm gonna find another last guest game. Oh, this is by Oblivious HT. This is the real one. Here's the real one. It's coming out soon. We plan to release the full game along the ideas of the Last Guest Part 2. And we'll release the game a little earlier for beta testers. Follow Forever HD ROBLOX on Twitter for previews. So here's the real one. Of course, this is what it's gonna look like when you hop in. Whatever I was saying, I forgot. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like exactly like this, and it's coming on 2018. It's coming about the same time as the guest part 2, and will be released a little early for the beta testers, which is probably gonna be me. So you have this on favorites just for the blah blah blah, and yeah, that's pretty much all that. So if you search up the last guest, you're gonna get so many results. So yeah, you're gonna get that many results. Make sure to do something with this place, please. Love your enemies and pray for those who pursue you, so that you may be sons of your Father who is in heaven. For he makes his sun rise in an evil and on the good, and sends rain on the just and on the unjust. Matthew 5:44-45. But one day to you.